I guess today I want to do a full unboxing and review on my new 8-liter automatic pet feeder. Super excited to get this one. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, but let's go ahead and unbox it and check it out. I have a, just kind of like a medium-sized poodle, probably here barking right now. So let's go ahead and assemble it, put some dog food in and check it out. I was honestly surprised how easy it was to fully set up this automated dog feeder. You can see that was super simple to assemble. Everything just snaps into place. But before I actually put the food in there and show you how it works, I just want to go over a few things that I saw. So you can actually put batteries right here. That's one of the options. And then you can also use the Type-C adapter, which is what I'm going to use. But like I said, if you don't want to always have it charging, you can just have the batteries. And it actually lets you do both. So if the batteries run out, it'll just go on to the Type-C charging. On the lid right here, it also comes with some desiccant, so that way it keeps the food nice and fresh. So like I said, 8 liter, that's going to hold quite a bit. We're going to go ahead and program it. It lets you schedule up to 6 different feeding times a day. So for me, I'm probably just going to schedule probably about 3, maybe 4 for her. And then we'll kind of just play with it from there. The other cool thing is you can also do a voice recorder onto it. So if you're not there and you normally call your pets, like I said, you can use this for dogs and cats. And you can say, hey, Millie, your food is here, or your food's ready. So play it out loud so that way they know to come and eat their food. So let's go ahead and program all of that and see how it works. The first thing that you're gonna wanna do is set the time. So if you hold this first button right here, which I just set mine, but I don't mind just showing it again. And then it has that clock right there, and then you want to hit this OK button, and then it's got a plus and a minus right here, so you just adjust this to however you like. So like I said, right now I do have it right. Perfect. And then right here are the 6 different times that you can schedule how much portions you want it to actually come out. So now we'll move it to 2, and then we'll hit OK. And then it says how much do we actually want to dispense. We'll put maybe like 10 servings. And then at what time? Put like at 2. And then it's literally good to go. And the last couple of things that I'll cover before we actually test it out is if you do want to set the recording feature, this little plus button right here, we'll just hold it and I'll show you. Millie, your food's ready. And there it is. So just make sure it does both of those beeps and then you're good to go. It should be about 10 seconds roughly is what it said. Then the last thing that I'll say is you don't have to worry about if this gets dirty or anything. This comes right out. You can wash it and then literally just put it right back and then you're good to go. So let's go ahead and actually put some food in here and test it out. Okay, so first we're just gonna wanna take off the lid by pushing these 2 buttons. Then we're gonna fill it up with Millie's favorite dog food. And we'll go ahead and fill it up as much as you like. Like I said, this is a full 8 liters. I don't even have that much food for it. So check it out. As you can see, my dog Millie wasted no time testing out her new automated dog feeder. This dog feeder is going to be really handy, especially since both me and my partner are always at work. So if you're looking for an automated dog feeder, definitely take a look into this one. I'll leave the link for her food and new feeder down below.